Hey Techno Hodophiles, welcome back to the channel where we explore the intersection of technology and the world's most epic natural wonders. Today, we're taking a trip to the thunderous heart of North America, Niagara Falls. Buckle up, because this isn't just your average tourist trap. We're diving deep into the history, science, and future of this iconic spectacle. Let's rewind 10,000 years. The Wisconsin glaciation carves its path, sculpting the Great Lakes and gouging out a monstrous canyon. This, my friends, is the genesis of Niagara Falls.
As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port.
3 colossal waterfalls, Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, roar to life, forever changing the landscape. We'll explore the geology beneath the roaring water, revealing the secrets of the rock layers and the relentless force of erosion. Niagara Falls isn't just a natural wonder, it's a cultural touchstone. From daredevil stunts and honeymoon hotspots to artistic inspiration and hydropower generation, these falls have captivated humanity for centuries. We'll meet some of the colorful characters who've shaped the fall's history, from the first tightrope walkers to the engineers who harnessed its power. But Niagara Falls isn't stagnant. Erosion threatens its grandeur, and climate change throws another curveball. We'll delve into the complex challenges facing this natural wonder, from dwindling water levels to invasive species. But fear not, Techno Hodophiles. We'll also showcase the cutting-edge technologies and conservation efforts safeguarding the future of the falls. So, how can you experience this techno-hydro wonder? We'll guide you through the ultimate Niagara Falls adventure, from the Maid of the Mist boat ride to the Cave of the Winds. We'll even explore the virtual reality experiences that bring you face to face with the roaring water. Niagara Falls is more than just a pretty waterfall. It's a testament to the power of nature, a canvas for human ingenuity, and a reminder of our responsibility towards the planet. So, join us on this techno-fueled journey and witness the thunderous dance of water and time that is Niagara Falls.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was.
Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and stay tuned to Techno Hodophile for more explorations at the intersection of technology and wanderlust. Hey, Hodophiles, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. So, join the fight, Hodophiles. Support conservation efforts, raise awareness, and let the thunder of Niagara Falls echo through generations to come.